Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech. This is a two-bedroom house, even though it's like a quick house tour, even though we have done it late, but I'm just updating you the progress of our two-bedroom house. So this is the corridor, the outside veranda that we can see. We have already done our interior. So here we have done our electrical part. I think if electrical part, even though painting is not yet done, and then the wardrobe we have already done. So I'm taking you just as and then I show you. So this is the pillars that we were used to, so that we put outside, so to have a beautiful entrance whenever you are welcome to this house. So I'm going to let you inside and then you see. So like you can see here, this is our corridor. Like you can see it, we have done our electrical part. Like you can see, we went with only downlights and hanging rows at the center. So here we didn't just go with always, like we always go with the with the wall brackets and snake light on each and every end, but we consider to have a centerpiece that you see over there, which we put a pink color, bulb color on this hanging rows that is you see over here. So guys, consider subscribing. If you've not yet subscribed, make sure you have subscribed. So our downlights are 3 in 1. Like you can see, they changes its color, like you can see in our video. So next I'm bringing you towards our sitting room. You can see this is the beautiful entrance that we done at the arch that lead us towards the first our sitting room, guys. So like you can see there, we have done our electrical part. We have installed our wall brackets, neck lights, downlight, chandelier, and fan. So we went with 2 wall brackets, a chandelier at the center, a fan at the end, a neck light at each end of our structure ceiling design, and then downlights both on our interior and exterior part of this ceiling that you see. So this is the wall bracket. Even it is a 3 in 1, even though I will not show you the other colors because I told you it's a quick house tour that I will be showing you on this house. So there are 2, and then like you can see, that was our fan. Like you can see, it is a roach fan of which is a white in color. And then here, this is the chandelier. It has Bluetooth. It has 2 options. You can connect with Bluetooth, or you can use a USB to when you load your songs. And then this is the window. Like you can see, we have already done our window grills are outside. Our sliding window we have already installed on this structure. So our house, it's almost done. We are almost welcoming this house, the housewarming for this house. So guys, make sure you stay updated. And then this one is the provision for our TV and the aerial outlet. So I will let you to the first, I think to the first, I will lead you to the first bedroom and then I show you. So on this first bedroom, we went with a flat ceiling design, and I will show you in the video. And then we have installed our wardrobes, our tiles. We have already done painting. It's not even though, but we just only touches that has remained. At the center, like you can see, this is a fan, a roach fan, and then a full moon at the that will be providing light on this room. So this is the wardrobe. Like you can see, we have provided this one so as to the owner or whoever will be using this room have a sufficient storage capacity for his or her own clothes, like you can see on this video. On the other end, that is like you have maybe your suits, you can hang it over there, and then we will place a drawers at the end of that structure that I have shown you there. So if you want this quality work, you can just contact us, Our number is 0746289667. We will will communicate and then have it at your own maybe price or whichever. So I will let you. I think the next one will be our sitting room, our master bedroom, of which it's an ensuite. So this is our master bedroom. Like you can see, even the paint is not of different, is different with the other. We install a chandelier at the center, and then the gypsum design, like you can see, ceiling design is different. It has a fan, a wall bracket, a snake light, and down lights. So if it's like I told you, it's an ensuite. Like you can see our fan, it's running. Is the house is ready to be start for one to be start living in it. So that is the socket that we provided on this house, and then that's the wall brackets that is on this master bedroom, of which they are of the same design with the one at the sitting room. So I will lead you to this small dressing room that is over here. We have installed our wardrobes that you can see. So this wardrobe we are negotiating, but the owner insisted to have it here. We were considering to place it somewhere of which maybe we'll have a spacious, but he just argued with us and then say we install it over there, even though it's not that much big, but will help the owner to for his or her own storage for this house. And then like you can see there, this is the hand basin that will be using maybe if to brush your tooth or something. We'll be using it over there. This is the toilet. Like you can see, we have done our plumbing work, tile installation, shower. We have already complete. Even the water is running. So we have. So guys, up to there. Make sure you subscribe, like, share to this YouTube channel, and then make sure after you have subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so as to you'll be notified when we upload this content. So this is the kitchen, guys. Like you can see, this is a high level we have already done. Like you can see on this video, even the lower level we have completed it, even though it's not yet fully finished. But tomorrow I'm going to give you a full house tour when they have done with their own with their own with their own work. So guys, if you watch up this and kindly subscribe, then share, and then if you come across with the ads on this channel, kindly don't skip that ad. Make sure it runs up to the end of your watching. So guys, I will appreciate you so much. So let's meet on the next video, God willing.